Finally. Free moderator! I'm just joking. So the owners gave me the juice. Yeah. Moderator. Okay, so we have the owner badge. We got the moderator badge. We can take off our badges. Womp womp. We got. Oh yeah. If you want to see stuff, we have the modeler badge. Oh yeah. We got colliders. We got send a message to the Discord. It's just send. No one will know. To take off your badges, just do this. Congrats. This. Do not just poop this 1,000 times, or you will get banned. Another thing. This, I don't know what it is. Time to do some epic little Timmy mod trolling. Let's just go to boop. No one tell him a moderator or else. Let's just code A. Boop. That's messed up. Oh no, frick. Wait, I'll be back.